Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Job Villa. Today we are going to discuss the jobs present in Oman for a project. So we discuss the details. Before it, if you want to tell you that please share this video with others to reach the people that want to get this type of jobs, and also like and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button to get the notifications when next videos will come. So discuss the details of the job. Requirements for electromechanical company in Oman. Number of positions are here is 160. So first position is mechanical technicians, second one is electrical technicians, third one is I&C technicians, AC mechanic, store assistant, cleaners, HSC department positions, chemist, mechanical engineer and supervisors, welders, fabricators, insulation technicians, mechanical fitters. So you apply for this position, please send the CV to resume@topaz@gmail.com. Also mention the position in subject title. We hope this video is helpful for you to apply for these positions. Thank you.